Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get BullX private key and import it to Phantom Wallet. Okay. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, log into your BullX account. Now go to the left panel and click on Wallet. Click on it. As you can see here, we have our main wallet. Let's check that out later. But first up, make sure that Solana is ticked in here, okay? Not Tron. Now once done, go back to Solana wallets, okay? You can go ahead and click on the three dots. As you can see here, there's no wallet address option. So basically, you'll need to create a new Solana wallet, okay? Like so. As you can see here, we now have the one private key option. This wallet right here got the private key. Now what we'll do is just click on this private key button and just basically copy the key in here. Now go to your Phantom wallet, click on it. Now just click on your account, it's the top left. There you go. Now click on the plus sign, add account. And here we have the import private key option. Click on it. Now make sure to select Solana, give it a name, and most importantly, paste the copied private key in here. Okay, of course, give it a name, maybe from BullX. If it says incorrect format, you can go ahead and delete this one and make sure to copy this private key below only. As you might notice, we have this colon in here. Okay, we have two colons, 1 and 2. Copy the ones from below. And once that's done, open up a Phantom. Go back to the same set of steps or pages. Give it a name from BullX. Paste private key. As you can see here, it now reads. Now once that's done, just hit import. Now after that, just close Phantom Wallet. Go back to private keys right here. And make sure to copy everything and save it to a safe place. Okay? And then make this wallet your primary wallet. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.